Hello everyone and welcome back to the Airifid channel. Today we are going to talk about the US doing testing of its newest drone, new super autonomous stealth drone. An unmanned aerial vehicle, commonly known as a drone, is an aircraft without any human pilot, crew, or passengers on board. UAVs are a component of an unmanned aircraft system. Which includes adding a ground-based controller and a system of communications with the UAV. The flight of UAVs may operate under remote control by a human operator, as remotely piloted aircraft, or with various degrees of autonomy, such as autopilot assistance, up to fully autonomous aircraft that have no provision for human intervention. Drones were originally developed through the 20th century for reconnaissance purposes, military missions too, and by the 21st, they had become essential assets to most militaries. As control technologies improved and costs fell, their use expanded to many non-military applications. These include forest fire monitoring, policing, and surveillance. Many terms are used for aircraft which fly without any persons on board, but proponents of this technology insist drones are essential to track the operations of terrorist organizations in remote places, and in some cases, take out enemies from a safe distance. This strange-looking drone is one of the most important in the US military. It's the world's first aircraft carrier-based unmanned aircraft, as seen here on the deck of the USS George H.W. Bush. The Boeing MQ-25 has been called a stingray in the sky, for its dark gray appearance and flat profile after, on 30 August 2018, the U.S. Navy announced Boeing as the winner of the competition and awarded an $805 million development contract for 4 MQ-25A aircraft to be completed by August 2024. The Boeing MQ-25 Stingray is an aerial refueling drone that resulted from the Carrier-Based Aerial Refueling System or CBARS program. Significantly extends the distance Navy jets can fly. The Navy's goal is for the aircraft to be able to deliver 15,000 pounds of fuel to 4 to 6 airplanes at a range of 500 miles. The MQ-25 first proved its capabilities to refuel in flight during this test over the fields of Illinois in June 2021. After the refueling is complete, the hose retracts to the drone. Both aircraft landed safely. In December 2020, Boeing released video showing the first flight of the MQ-25, with a Cobham aerial refueling store externally mounted. The mission lasted about 4.5 hours, with the two aircraft performing numerous dry or wet connects for more than 10 minutes, and 325 pounds of fuel transferred in total. Further refueling tests were performed with E-2 and F-35C. The manager said this successful test shows it is possible for an unmanned aircraft to free up Navy strike fighters from the tanker role and provide the carrier air wing with greater range, flexibility, and capability. Boeing's MQ-25 design is powered by one Rolls-Royce AE3007N turbofan engine, delivering 10,000 lbf or 44 kN of thrust. This is a variant of the engine used to power the Navy's MQ-4C Triton. The aircraft is less stealthy than flying wingloads. It does feature a stealthy fuselage shaping, flush inlet to shield engine blades from radar and V-tail. As of 2020, the United States Navy planned to establish unmanned carrier-launched multi-role Squadron 10. Buck 10, in October 2021, with 4 aircraft. The new unit was to be based at Naval Base Ventura County, which includes Naval Air Station Point Mugu. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.